10 lines on elephants with pictures. The elephant is a large sized animal. It is a very intelligent animal. It has 4 legs, 2 small eyes, 2 big ears, a trunk, and a small tail. They has very little eyes in comparison to their body. The elephant has big ears like wings. The elephant has a very useful trunk. The elephant eat and drink with the help of the trunk. The elephant is a calm and cute nature animal. They are found in grey and brown colors. We must love these adorable beings. Thank you for watching the whole video and like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further notifications.